Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to manage who can see your friend list on Facebook. Maybe you wanted to know on how to manage on who can see your friend list on Facebook but you don't know how. So in today's video, we're going to talk about on how to manage on who can see your friend list on your Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this page. And after that, to proceed, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into this page. You'll need to do is to simply scroll down and you'll see these settings and privacy. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll see these settings. Simply tap on it. And under the settings and privacy, you'll see here the preferences, audience, and visibility. And then in here, simply tap on how people find and contact you. Once you tap on it, you'll see here under who can see your friend list. Simply tap on it. And now, you can manage on who can see your friend list. Remember, your friend control who can see their friendships on their own. If people can see your friendship on another timeline, they'll be able to see it in newsfeed. If you want it to be public, simply tap on this circle. If you want it to be friends, tap on friends, and if you want it to just friends except, simply tap on this. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to manage on who can see your friend list on your Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to manage on who can see your friend list on your Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.